Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And if you are a real beginner who really wants to learn English but from very basics, from very start, and if you want to build your foundation strong in English language, then this is the right place for you. So let's get started for today. So today we will learn a very basic but very important concept in English, and that is, let me write it for you. It is sentence. What if I ask you what is sentence? You will say a sentence is a collection of words. But this is not a complete definition of sentence. So let us understand this clearly from very basics. Okay, so what if I say, and I take an example, very happy today. Is this a sentence? No. Why? Because its meaning is not complete. We are just saying very happy today, but we are not clear who is happy today. Now look at this example. I am very happy today. This is a sentence because the meaning is complete, that I am very happy today. Okay, let's take another example. I am saying running fast. This is not a sentence. Again, running fast, but who is running fast? We are not clear about it. The meaning is not clear here. So that's why this is not a sentence. But what if I say the boy is running fast? Now we are clear. So always remember one rule, that if a sentence is giving you information about who or what and what about them. Example, like we said, I am happy. Now, if we want to check that is this a sentence or not, let's check here. Who is happy? I am happy. I am. I. And what about me? That I am happy. So every sentence who gives you information about who and what about them, then it is a complete sentence. So always remember, complete meaning equals to correct English or a correct sentence. Okay, I hope this is now clear to you. Because at the end, we are going to make the sentences. We are going to frame the sentences, right? So these are all the examples. Now I want you to practice now. So please write in the comments, write any simple sentence, whatever is in your mind at the moment. I will read and will give you feedback if needed. Okay, and will help you to correct it. Okay, and in my next video we will be learning about subject. So these are very basics. So if you are a real beginner, then this is the right place for you. Thank you so much for watching.